Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Fermented black beans are very nutritious, and Hakka people make a delicious sauce out of them. Black beans are soaked in water for 8 hours, then steamed and left to dry. They are then fermented for a week. After mold from the outer layer is removed, it's left to dry again. Finally, salt and rice wine are mixed in. The sauce is used on steamed fish, on fried bitter melon, and even over a nice tofu oyster.Hello
everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello 大家好，我係Lim Zapsu. That's Joseph Lin in Hakka. And here we are with Leo to teach you more about the Hakka culture. 今天 Leo 我看来介紹一些材料，就是食材好了。
哦，好，我想到一個東西，它看起來黑黑的，小小顆的，
不知道I'm drawing blanks right now.
就是挑絲。
挑絲頭絲不是豆豉
對豆豉
That's right. Okay, this is the black beans, the fermented black beans. That's right. That's very common in a lot of Chinese dishes, including the Hakka dishes. 没错，
像是我们煮那个腐瓜就是苦瓜的時候都會加一點進去。
Oh, okay, yeah. When you stir fry it with bitter gourds or bitter melon, it's very tasty with the fermented black beans. Okay, 还有什么样的东西可以一起跟豆豉炒呢？
蒸魚，蒸魚的時間。
對，蒸魚。When you steam fish, you put a bit of fermented black beans, it brings out the flavor perfectly. 因为其實黑豆豉它其實蠻鹹的，
對
不對？所以它會很容易帶味出來。
對，而且黑豆豉其實它的營養成分很高的。
Oh, it's very nutritious.
它做法其實也很費功夫哦。
它到底是怎麼做的？
先把它蒸熟，蒸熟之後曬乾，曬乾之後呢，又給它發酵，發完酵之後呢，又要把那個散骨的地方把它洗掉。然後又再曬乾。
So there's a lot of processing here, okay? 這是可能要花禮拜
時間來製作，所以不容易的。
Okay, again, the fermented black beans are very nutritious and they're very salty at the same time, and it takes a long time to prepare. You have to soak it in water for many hours, steam it again, leave it out to dry, ferment for a week, and then wash it off again in order for it to be used. But once it's prepared, it's such a great ingredient. So again, let's review these terms. 黑豆豉, which is the fermented black beans.
挑絲
all right, and you can use it in bitter melon, 苦瓜
腐瓜
or use it when you steam fish, 蒸魚 蒸魚 So try this out next time. I'm sure you'll love it. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.